Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. I want to take a minute today and brag about the model car community that we are all a part of. And for me personally, in the few years that I have been doing this, many of you have become more like family than community. And I appreciate that. So I want to say from Amanda and I thank you so very much. And to that end, I do want to make a confession today. And I've got a very special mail call that is from someone in this awesome community, the family, that you're going to love. Stick around.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
A day or so after I posted the final video for the 40 Ford Modified, I received an email from a fellow builder and a member of this family and model car community named Daniel Doan. And Daniel lives in Arizona, and he reached out and said, hey, been following the 40 and I have something I want to send you. He said it is the truck and trailer that originally from the 70s that went with that kit. And I recalled it a little bit, but he did not have the original box anymore, but he had the kit, the instructions, the decals that came in it, everything but the original box, which is fine. And I went on ScaleMates and looked at it, and apparently this kit was only released in July 1975. It's the only one time it's ever been released. And I got excited about that because it's a matching paint scheme, decals, everything to this 40 Ford, as you see the box here. And this is just cool for days. And what I didn't share and what I'm going to confess now is, shortly after I posted that, I was a bit depressed because I had a brand new race car and no way to get it to the track. Anyway, seriously, I received that today, and as you see here, Daniel, I can't thank you enough. I told you I was going to open it on camera, and we are going to do that. So I'm going to back the camera off here a little bit, and we may have to zoom back in, but I want to get this thing open, and I want to share with you guys. This kit, like I said, was released back in mid-1975, and as you see there, it's a 75 F100, and the old trailer kit. I don't know why they never reissued this thing. I would have bought it, and seems like I remember this kit. I don't know why I didn't buy it at the time, but I didn't. So let's get a look at this thing. And I might have to back off a little bit more here. All right, let's get into it, guys. And another thing is, Daniel, I'm honestly, I'm going to look at the newspapers too, because every time somebody packs something in papers from their part of the country or even the world, it's interesting to compare prices and dates and stuff on these things. So let's get a look here and see. Oh, get that out of the way. Oh, wow. Check it out, guys. The race team pickup and trailer, and there is the decals. Let's take a look at these things. And these are from 1975. Oh, wow. Front for the truck. There's the wheels for the trailer. Oh, there's the decals for the car. Man, these decals right here for the truck and trailer look like they're in really good shape. How about that? Oh, man. Daniel, you the man. All right, let's take a look here. All right, there's our 75. Oh, are these what I think they are? They are, guys. These are that hard. You remember the, where's my hobby knife? The really hard plastic tires? These are the same thing. They're not rubber. They're hard plastic tires just like what came in the modified. There's the seat, truck. So here's the truck. Yeah, he said he had the truck and trailer for it. Love those original hubcaps. Guys, this is, wow, this is, oh man, he didn't tell me he had another modified. Oh, dude, you are double demand. There it is. Oh, this is the 36 Plymouth. Awesome. And there's the trailer. And it's got the hard plastic tires too. Is this what I think it is? You know, these trailers come with a tire rack and the shield and all that stuff. Yep, there's the hard plastic two-piece tires, so you have to put them together. There's the two axles, the tail lights, and yes, it does. It has an extra set of the hard plastic tires to, how about that? And this is all still factory sealed. Oh, this is awesome. Hey, got the whole race team, as you saw on the box here again. You got the same paint scheme. Oh, this is going to be so cool. Oh, man. Oh, Dan, thank you, my friend. Woohoo! Guys, if you have one of these or have seen these things before, like I said, until he brought this up and I took a look, I had no idea that this thing came like this, as a kit like that. I can't believe he threw in that 36 Plymouth modified too. Well, for the next, and there's those hard plastic tires. Well, we may have another one to do for the, oh man, this is definitely a build. I don't know that I'm going to jump on it immediately because I'm on a time limit with the Camaro and some of the other stuff, but this is just absolutely great. Let's see here. We've got our instructions for the truck, race team truck and trailer. This is just the instructions for the truck, and I think each of those bags had the instructions. No, here's the trailer instructions here. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. What a treat. What a gift. Even though I knew what it was, I had no idea it had all this stuff in it. And like I said, these decals look like they're in really, look at that. Now, these have yellowed quite a bit, but these don't look really half bad. I may send these up to STS and have them make a duplicate set just to be on the safe side. But this is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Again, Daniel, wow. This is really something. And like I said, guys, this is the type of people that are in our community that share and spread the love. And I tell you, I appreciate every one of you, because this is what motivates me to keep the channel going too, to build these things and to share them with you. It's just a lot of fun, and with all the new content creators and everybody coming along, hey, enjoying the fun, guys. Really, really, really. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, guys. I don't know what to say, but thank you, thank you, thank you. Daniel, this is very, very special to me, and this is something that's going to have to definitely be built and part of a display. And you know, I did that as an out-of-box build, and I think I'm going to do the trailer, of course, and the truck out-of-box as well. That way they can be displayed as an out-of-box combo, which I think that's going to be unique all in itself too, but I'm excited now, guys. I hope I can get to this pretty quick. Okay, guys, love you bunches. Appreciate you hanging around watching this. Hope y'all have an absolutely awesome weekend. Love you. God loves you. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.